Hi guys, today I will be sharing how to make biscotti. For the ingredients, we need 2 cups of plain flour, 2 eggs, 1 teaspoon of lemon zest or lemon rind, 1/8 teaspoon of salt, half a teaspoon of baking powder, 1 cup of sugar, and 1 cup of almonds with skin on. First thing we need to do is to lightly toast the almonds until the oil comes out and it's fragrant. Set this aside. Now combine the flour, salt, and baking powder. Give it a quick mix and then we will set this aside. In a separate bowl, crack in 2 eggs. By the way, your oven should be preheated at 170 degrees Celsius. I remove the shell. Now we're going to beat this until the mixture is light pale yellow. Also add the lemon zest. Make sure to scrape the side of the bowl just to make sure that all the sugar is being dissolved. At this point, we can add the dry ingredients. Combine the flour mixture and the almonds. Give it a mix. And then we're all going to dump this into the egg mixture. Then mix until everything is well combined. Okay, now we're going to need parchment paper. Lightly dust it with plain flour. And then we're going to dump here our dough. We're going to divide this in half. And then we're going to form the dough into a log. Not too big. And then we're going to transfer this into a tray lined with parchment paper. Now move on to the second dough. Just make sure that it's the same size as the first dough, so that when they bake, they're equal, or they bake at the same time. Now we're going to bake this in a preheated oven at 170 degrees Celsius for about 25 to 30 minutes. After 25 to 30 minutes, this is what it looks like. We're gonna let this cool down for at least an hour before slicing it. After an hour, we're ready to slice this. So use a serrated knife and gently cut the biscotti. If it cracks, that's okay. You can pinch it so they will join again together. This dough is quite crumbly, so you really need to be gentle when slicing it. So slice it slowly. And then make sure that your oven is also preheated at 150 degrees Celsius. And then we're going to bake these in a preheated oven at 150 degrees Celsius for about 35 to 45 minutes, or until the biscotti is dry and crispy. So this is what it looks like after baking. This is now dry and very crispy. So you can stop from here. This is now done. Put it in a serving platter or in a plastic bag and give this as a gift. But if you want to go an extra step, you can do the next process. So I have slivered almond in here that I'm going to chop up into smaller pieces. I also melted dark baking chocolate. To this, I'm going to dip the biscotti slightly and then sprinkle some of the almonds. Again, this is optional. So dip some part of the biscotti into the melted chocolate. The melted chocolate is about 200 grams. Again, it's optional. And this is the finished product. I hope you give this a try. This is really good. It's so easy to make. And just to show you what it looks like when you break the biscotti, how crispy it is. This is best paired with coffee. So this is a dipping biscuits. Dip it in coffee and I swear you're gonna love this. Thank you so much for watching and I hope you do like and subscribe to my channel. See you again next week. Bye.